Good morning, class family. It's a terrific Tuesday. Let's look at our message together. Show me that you're a team and a class family. Follow along with your eyes and listen with your ears. Use your finger to point. Ready? Let's start with today's date. January 24th, 2023. Dear class family, today is Tuesday. We will learn a lot at school. First, we'll review letters, sounds, and vowels. Next, we will learn to tap words and do a letter I and J sort. Then, we will ask and answer questions about a non-fiction book. After that, we will focus on writing sentences. Last, we will do literacy centers. Love, Miss Joyner. All right, class family, let's look back and reread the message. Remember, good readers read things again. It's called rereading. They do this so their brain can understand the words on the page. Let's start for the abbreviation for this month. I see capital JAN period. Do you know what that shortened version stands for? It is January. If you remembered that, great job. Remember, you can write the date in many different ways. Good writers always remember to capitalize the first letter of each month of the year because it's special and important. You can write the shortened way of January by doing JAN period. Let's go ahead and reread the whole date. January 24th, 2023. After the date, let's reread the greeting, starting with the word dear. I noticed a capital D like D dog D. Remember, good writers can write letters to people beginning with the word dear. Let's go ahead and reread the greeting. Dear class family. After the greeting, I see a punctuation mark. Do you know what it's called? It starts on the line and does a little curve. It is a comma. I heard some of you say it. If you remembered that punctuation mark is called a comma, go ahead and pat yourself on the back. Now, let's reread the first telling sentence. Today is Tuesday. It is Tuesday, and it's a terrific Tuesday. We will learn a lot at school. Oh, you know that's true, class family. We do that each day to be a great collaborator, communicator, and creative and critical thinker. And this is how we're going to do this, just like we do all day long in kindergarten. We're going to listen. We're going to use writing and drawing. We're going to ask and answer questions. We're going to make connections. Remember to speak loudly and clearly for all to hear you. Okay, so when you're doing that, you're going to use your mouth to speak and your ears to listen. Let's see what we're doing today during language arts in kindergarten. First, we review letters, sounds, and vowels. Oh, we will, just like we do each day. We'll use our word wall as a resource. We'll sing the ABC song. We'll go through each letter of the alphabet, like A, apple, A, B, bat, B, C, cat, K, all the way to Z, zebra, Z. Let's review the vowels too. Are you ready? Okay, look on our word wall. They have red in the background. A, apple, A, E, ed, E, I, itch, I, O, octopus, ah, and U, up, In addition to reviewing letter sounds and vowels, we're going to focus on a couple important things. Check it out. Next, we'll learn to tap words and do a letter I and J sort. We're going to review how to tap out words for the beginning, middle, ending sound, and then say the whole word. And then we're going to do the CVC word song. We're going to get up, we're going to dance, we're going to use our mouth to speak, our ears to listen, our eyes to see. We're going to do head, shoulders, waist clap for the beginning, middle, ending sound, and clapping the whole word. It's going to be a CVC word. It's going to be fantastic. Get your fans ready. Fantastic. Each of those CVC words is consonant, vowel, consonant. That means there's a short vowel sound in the middle of all of those words. Okay, so we're going to also do an I and J sort. Yesterday, we were working on making the capital I letter I, where we start at the top, pull straight down, pick up, pull across to the top and the bottom, like I, itch, I. We also learned J, like J, jug, J, where we went pull down, curve, pick up, pull across. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and review how to make those letters. We're going to do an I and J sort where we look at objects that start with the letter I and J and figure out, does it start with letter I like I, itch, I, or J like J, jug, jug? And we're going to do a sort. Okay, then we'll ask and answer questions about a nonfiction book. Before we do that, we will review the parts of a book. Shout out to Jack Hartman's YouTube channel for the parts of a book song. Remember, front cover, back cover, title page. We know every book has an author and illustrator's name, and the spine of the book is what holds the pages together. So we know also that nonfiction texts teach, inform, and explain real things. We're going to be practicing asking and answering questions. We look at another nonfiction text in book, and we're going to book in class, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to first look through all the photographs, starting with the front cover. We're going to look through, and without reading it yet, we're going to think, what's in the pictures? And we're going to be sharing connections and ideas and asking questions. And then we're going to be reading the book. And I'm going to help you by asking questions. We'll look back for text evidence so you can prove your answer by finding the answer directly in the book. Okay, after that, we'll focus on writing. We're going to focus on writing sentences. Remember, when you are making a sentence, to 1, start with a capital letter. 2, remember, a sentence tells a complete idea. 3, when you are writing your words, you're going to write a letter for each sound, and make sure that you leave a finger space between the words so the words don't smush together. And then put a period at the end of each telling sentence. Okay, make sure your pictures help with the words. Okay, so class family, when you look back at your All About book, you're going to finish that, and some of you will be starting a new one. So when you're done, there's some things that you could do. You could look back. You could add to your pictures. So as you're looking back at your All About book, you can add more to your pictures. You could add more to your words. Good writers look back, they revise, edit, and proofread their work. We're going to look back. Think, do you want to add to your pictures? Do you want to add to your words? Okay. And if you're all finished, you can start a new piece of writing, reread your own writing, or you can meet with a partner to share your writing. Okay, so we have a lot going on today, and we're also going to be doing literacy centers. It's fantastic. Get your fans ready. Fantastic. Our do you like question of yes or no answers today is dun, dun, dun. Do you like African violets? Well, do you? Think about your answer and be ready to share why and practice being a great communicator. Do you like African violets?